YouTube, it's SlimJo here. Welcome back. So today's video is a Boxycharm video, and this is gonna be my first time doing Boxycharm, and I was really excited when I got this box and I opened it. So this is this month's Boxycharm, November, duh, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that's in here. So we got Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Looks like this. Ooh, I think I might use this for my contour today. Oof, oof, ooh. These look cute. This could use for contour too, but I don't know which one. This is a little big. I like this. Yeah. Okay. And then what else we have? We have Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and this is in nude mood. This is for $18, and then the brushes were $35. And also we have is Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealers, and this is, okay, am I looking weird or this is not on here? Okay, I don't see how much this is, but I'm using this today because I did my eyebrows, but you know, I didn't clean it up or nothing like that. You know, under eyes, because my under eye circles is terrible. We have Lily Lashes, and this is $25. I'm kind of sad because I don't have any lash glue, so can't be using this today. We also have Cypress or Kypress, I don't know how to say it, Anti-Duo Quench and Glow Serum, and this is $90, you guys. I'm using this before I do my makeup. You know, this is gonna be my, what's it called, my primer. And this is the Dominique Cosmetics. This is gonna be $35. This is $35. Ooh, I want to do like a mini smoky eye. I'm thinking, ooh, that's pigment. Clean that off. Okay, I'm going to do browns and the orange. I might do like purple. Ooh, I think I know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna look bomb. All right, put this to the side. So let's get started. So first that happens. Okay, actually no, first I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna look right here because that's where my mirror is at. This is so cool. I'll put it back in the boxes. I did not break it. And break this side. Ooh, ooh, this one's good. I don't know. Is it like tea tree oil and like rose water a little bit? I don't know. No, I don't know. The smell is different now. Okay. All right. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna do the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. This, I'm gonna use the middle ground, which is medium, and then I'm gonna use Midnight Masky and it's called Rich for my like contour. Later, I'm gonna use these two colors. So, and I might use a little bit of Tiptoe Over the Line light to medium concealer. I might like mix these two together for my eyes because this, I don't know, for a brighter concealer, you know, with the concealer with the medium color. Okay, make sure. Where's my lip? Boom. Got my big mirror right here and my small mirror right here. So let's get to it. like it under my brows. I'm not too sure. Alright, let me blend it out. I'm gonna blend out with my Royal Angle shader, but I use this for, you know, my concealer, to blend out my concealer. I don't know if it's blending in my skin or am I just wiping it away. I think a little bit of both. Okay. I like it. I like it a little bit. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna put it under my eye. This is bright. Am I using them? Oh no. Oh no. I feel like it's oxidizing this a smidge. I'm not too sure. Mix this in a little bit with one of my concealers, because to me, I think this is too much. It's too light. Even though this is gonna be my face. Beauty blender to blend this all out. I like my beauty blenders kind of dry. I don't like a damp beauty blender for a personal reason. I don't know. I just don't like it. I feel like it does the same thing. Contour real quick. This is dark. I feel like they're missing something. They need an in-between color because there's no way it went from that light to this dark. I feel, girl, a little go along with this one. I think I put a little bit too much. Oh yeah, I put a little bit too much. Okay. Oh, but this is a beautiful blend though. It's low. Alright, I'm gonna go back and make sure I have no creases under my eye, and I'm gonna set it with another beauty blender. This is hard, so I'm gonna use it for powder. I'm gonna conceal a little bit. Other side. Alright. On to the eyes. Alright. So I'm gonna take that. Alright, so I'm gonna take this orange and Lamar clips, and my Morphe M441 brush. And let's get it popping. Okay. I don't know what time it is. It's a whole sentence. Wait. Okay, so when I'm doing this, I don't know if you guys can see, but how my powder is Like, it looks weird. I don't know how to explain it. It's like it's not sticking on. Oh no, 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 no. Like, it's not sticking on the concealer. Like, it's doing something weird. I'm gonna brush that away real quick. Okay, I'm not liking that, but there's nothing I can do about it right now. I guess when I put my, what's it called? When I spray my face, maybe, you know, it'll look a little better, but let's hope. Alright, so I'm gonna take this brown color here, and I'm gonna do, it's called Storm Dust, and I'll put it on top of my lids. Oh, I put the orange, of course, in my crease and everything like that. Oh, this is a nice brown. Oh yeah, this one might be my go-to brown. It's like a brown red. Oh yeah, it's a brown red. And I always like wing out my eyeshadows. I don't know, I like how that looks on me. Okay. Alright, pat pat. Alright, so I'm gonna take a clean Morphe M330 brush and get a little bit of the Storm Dust and start blending it in with the Escape. And then the other back to the I'm gonna do the other eye on off camera and I'll be right back. As you guys can see, I kind of finished up. Okay, as you guys can see, I kind of finished up this eye here. So let's move on to this one so make it, you know, exact. So my eyebrow highlight, I'm gonna be using Internal Light, the one right here on this corner. All right, let's get it. Alright, and then I'll blend it out with the Morphe 441 brush that we use for the Escape. And you know, just blend it in. You know, no harsh lines. And maybe go back in one more time, you know. Maybe you know, take some color out, you know. And boom. Okay, so my inner corner, I use two colors. I use a little bit of Lucid Dream, this pink shade here, and then I use Fireball, that's right next to the color I use for under my eyebrows. So let's go. And I only use a little bit of the Lucid Dream because I didn't want a lot, you know. And then go in with the Fireball and go to town. I put a little bit on my eyelids too because I want to look like a freaking alien. Alright, so now for my lower lashes, I'm gonna go back into Lucid Dreams and smudge it out. Oops, sorry. Now that I'm looking like this, I'm gonna spray my face, but first I'm gonna wipe more because I still feel like there's some more on my eye. And spray my face real quick with Mario Badescu facial spray and aloe cucumber and green tea. And I put a different nozzle. This is from my Scandinavia one. I think that's it out of the box. So I'm gonna finish up my makeup and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts when I come back. I'm done, you know, with the rest of my makeup. So I almost forgot one thing. So the first thing I'm gonna use is this NYX lip liner in Cocoa. And get into town, girl. Line up my lips. Alright. So the color is Nude Mood. And I love nude colors, so let's see. Doing another coat. My final thoughts on this Boxycharm. I love everything here, especially this serum. I love this serum. This serum is bomb. The only thing I don't like is the concealer. I do not like the concealer. I don't know what was happening. I don't know if it's because of the shade or what, but when I put my powder on, I did not like that whatsoever. So that was a no. So that was a definite no. And what else? The only thing I was kind of sad that I didn't get to use the Lily lashes, because the lashes look so pretty. But maybe in another video I can use it. This tape, taste. Okay, when I first applied the lipstick, it was kind of like, how can I describe it? It was, fuck, how do you describe that? I don't know how to describe it, but it was like, it was really good to blend, you know. I'm over here popping my lips, but now it dried really matte. I hope it don't flake up, because you know mattes, like my lips get dry, so you know maybe I might put a gloss on top of this, but at the moment this is bomb. Like, I finessed the eyeshadows. Oh my god. If one thing I will recommend is this is bomb. My eyeshadow looks so good, and it goes with the hair. Who knew? Like, it was all good. And I like the brush. This brush was really soft. I had no problems with it. And yeah, that's my final thoughts. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.